So we're gonna install a combination two switches, which is single gang box, which is gonna operate two switches. They're gonna control two different lights. Okay, we're only gonna use the room of one switch. Right, so this is how it works. So as you can see, these two black screws are for the hat to power the lights. Okay, so if you want to use just one, that's fine. You have to use one and it will give power to both of them, both of the lights. If you want to use an independent hat for each one, you have to remove this little thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. This plate right here, you just put the screwdriver, a flat screwdriver here, bend it back and forth, then it's gonna come off, and that will separate these two screws. Right now they're touching each other, so if you put the hat here, it's gonna give power to this light too. Okay, so and here is the lights, the independent lights where they're gonna be connected. All right, so this is how we do it. First, like always, make sure that there is no power. Right now I have no power on this box. Let's see, I'll show you. Okay, no power. So we're gonna strip the end of our wires. So I'm exposing like 1.25 to 1.5 inches of the wires to give me enough room to put this together. So okay, this one didn't want to come off, but okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put together all the white wires. In this case, this bottom wire, the bottom wire right here is my feed. That means this is the one that is gonna provide the power to the box. Okay, so keeping that in mind, so we're gonna put all the white wires together. Then we wanna twist them. Okay, now what I notice is that this wire is longer than the others, so I'm gonna cut a little bit off so they will be about the same length. That's gonna help me to twist the wires easier. If one is longer than the other, I mean, that's where you start having problems aligning everything. So you don't want that. Okay, now let's cut this. Let's put the wire nut. Okay, I'm gonna cut a little bit off because it's too long. Okay, then that's it. Then we're gonna bring this into the box. Try to push it all the way down so it's not on the way for a switch. Then we're gonna do the same thing with the ground wires. Okay, we're gonna twist. Then now, because we only have one of the we only have one screw for the ground, so we don't need 3 wires, so we only need one, but we need to have them all connected together. So we twist them, we cut a little bit off the other ones, Then again we're gonna use this. This has a little hole where the wire goes through, as you can see. Then you twist. This is a special nut for the ground. Okay, then you ending with 3 black wires. One is the hat, and the other ones, this is the hat, and the other ones are your fixtures. Okay, this is the hat because it's the one that is coming from the bottom, from this one. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the 2 lights first. So if you have a preference which you want to put on the bottom and on the top, I guess you do that. Right now, to me it doesn't matter right now, so I'm just gonna bend them. Okay. Then tighten. That's tight. Same thing here. Need a little more of a grip. So, okay, it's in. Tighten. Now we're gonna do the ground. Okay. The ground is there. We tie the ground. Now remember, these two are connected together because of the middle plate. So we're gonna leave that alone. We just need to plug one. Okay. So we got the one in, which is gonna supply power to both. We're gonna tie this screw too. We don't want it to be on the way. Okay. Then this thing, we're gonna place everything back where it's going. I almost forgot. Tape. Remember, don't be like me. Don't forget to tape. The tape is going to avoid the screws to get contact with other wires. Everything is in place. Then I'm gonna drive this. Okay. Now this is in place. Let's see. One light bulb. Then the second light bulb. Okay. Now remember, this wire, the wire that is on the bottom, is the feed, is the one that is gonna supply the power. Okay, the second wire, it goes to this light, and the third wire it goes to this light. So now let's power this. Make sure that works. Okay. Now it's hot. You can hear. Now there's power to it. So light number 1, light number 2. Off, off. Again, if you follow these steps, you should have no problems. Always remember, turn off the power. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video.